Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Want to diagnose engine issues yourself and save a significant amount of money and time? A faulty oxygen sensor is a common culprit behind poor fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Ignoring a bad sensor can lead to a cascade of more expensive repairs in your car's engine system. This updated 2025 guide shows you exactly how to test it, helping you pinpoint problems early. You can easily maintain your vehicle's peak performance and avoid costly surprises. To accurately test your oxygen sensor, you will need a few common tools. First, a digital multimeter is absolutely crucial for checking the sensor's voltage readings. For many modern vehicles, an OBD-ROMAN2 scan tool can also provide invaluable live data. You might also need a basic wrench set to access the sensor itself. Having the right equipment ensures you can perform a thorough and reliable diagnostic check every time you work on your car. Always begin your testing with a thorough visual inspection of the oxygen sensor. Look closely for any signs of physical damage, such as melted wires or frayed insulation. Check the sensor body itself for cracks or excessive carbon buildup. Make sure all electrical connectors are securely attached and free from any dirt or corrosion. This simple step often reveals obvious issues without needing any specialized equipment. For a more advanced check, use your digital multimeter to measure the sensor's voltage output. Connect the positive lead to the sensor's signal wire and the negative lead to a reliable ground point. With your engine fully warm and running, carefully observe the voltage fluctuating rapidly. A healthy sensor will typically show readings rapidly oscillating between 0.2 and 0.8 volts, indicating proper operation. If your sensor shows a consistently low or high voltage, or if it simply doesn't fluctuate, it's likely faulty. A slow response time or very erratic readings also clearly indicate it needs to be replaced. Remember, a malfunctioning oxygen sensor can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. Replacing a confirmed bad sensor is a straightforward repair that quickly restores your car's efficiency and reduces emissions, keeping your engine running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.